to this video. Actually, my cousins in the Philippines, they distributed cupcakes in my mom's neighborhood. So let's see. Let's get right into it. Boom, so we arrived at the grocery store. And here is actually where they're gonna buy all the ingredients and all the stuff they need to bake the special cupcakes for Mother's Day. I actually went there before in the Philippines. So, let's see what they buy. Hello.
Bakit?
Kasi kaharo kami.
Kayo lang? Okay.
Wow. Wow.
Let's go. Let's go. Ako din hindi ka kaya. Oh my gosh, Tita Ring! Imay! Imay, we need you! Da-da-da! Da-da-da! Hawakan mo yan, hawakan mo. Para yan,
Magbibigay ka?
Maraming sila doon, mga lalaki.
Sige, tara.
Kung may madaan tayo dito, bibigyan ako.
Shoo-ding! Ay. Shoo-ding!
May gagano mo yung camera.
Hindi, ganito lang.
Cake, oh. Paano ito buksan?
And, oh, yung ano.
Pananan? Ah! Hello. Happy Mother's Day po. Mother's Day going to school.
Ako. Ate, dito din, oh.
Saan?
Dito.
Ito.
Mm-mm.
Ay, nani mama.
Ay, naknak mo asin. Ay, Judith! Gumawa kayo?
Apo.
Ay, Happy Mother's Day! Agad ka.
Happy Mother's Day po.
Sino nga ate?
Dito si ate yan.
Pagaya.
Happy Mother's Day, ate. Happy Mother's Day.
Oo. Sila din dyan, kung meron. Oo.
Isa lang.
Sa loob. Hawakan ko.
Kasi marami. Oh, ito lang. Ay, hindi mana.
Hi.
Ay, dito yung Happy Mother's Day na.
Apo.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sila nga eh. May tao ba?
Wala nga.
Cha-cha-cha! Cha-atelis. Yung apat ba yun? Dalawa?
Apat, syempre.
yung apat?
Oo. Knock, knock.
Ate Liz!
Happy
Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. Auntie ni Mama, kinilulab, ma. Ay, Happy Mother's Day sa kanila din. Kung may mother. Di ba mother kanila ading mo? Ha? Mother ka.
Tananan.
Ilayo natin, konti na. Close mo, diba? Di mo masapa.
Eh. Yes daw. Pasok mo
Adan
ka.
ni Auntie. Happy Mother's Day, Auntie.
Hello! Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, kanino galing? Sino gumawa?
Na kami, Auntie.
Ay, ikaw yung mismo
Mother's
gumawa?
Day. Opo.
Ay, wow, thank you, thank you.
Well,
Thank you.
Yeah, akala kayo ganyan sa ba? Hindi nag-apoy dyan.
Oh, ano ka? Ta-ta-tan!
nagbigay sila ng banana sa amin. Thank you.
Balik bahay po kami para i-refill. I-refill.
Ang aming Mother's Day treat.
Yan.
Let's go.
Okay. Hawak ka isa.
Up. Nabidyan mo yun.
Okay. Next. Dito na tayo.
Okay.
Ibaba daw.
Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo.
Okay, mami?
Happy Mother's Day po.
Sa amin?
Yung mga mother. Thank you po.
Wow, salamat.
Thank you. Okay daw.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day kami.
Mga dalaga sa kabila. Kung pwede ba ba? Ayun na?
Kalman.
Pinagibot lang sa simatang hindi ah. Hindi ganito ah.
Happy Mother's Day po.
Thank you. Tanong ba?
Hindi po, sa inyo po.
Thank you ah.
Happy Mother's Day.
Pamangkin ko na kabila.
Happy Mother's Day.
Ay, wow, thank you. Kikila ko yun, yung bread.
Libre.
Wow, thank you. Over ka tayo, matagalin ko yun. Nakaka-work ka asa. Kaso may isla kayo tinaibig. Ay, okay, salamat. Happy Mother's Day din kay mama mo.
Next stop. Tadadaan. Ang kasama nating bigay ng Mother's Day. Ang ate ko. Si ate Olang. Da-da-dan! Ang view ng San Carlos Heights. And we're going on a trip. Ito na yung mama din. Ito. Oo. Da-da-dan! Hindi po. Char.
3, 2,
We'll be back in a few.
1.
Thank you. Ay.
Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna give a special greetings to all the moms out there for Mother's Day. Also, of course, to Tita Tata, Tita Wani, Tita Gina, and my two lovely lolas in heaven. But of course, also to our family friends here in Canada. So, happy Mother's Day to Tita Marites, Tita Lorna, Mama Josie, Tita Chris, Tita Elvie, Tita Arlena, and of course, Mama Da, Tita Grace, Tita Joy, Tita Marlene, and to my Ninang in Toronto, Ninang Nelda. And happy Mother's Day to Ninang Vanji.
And now, we have prepared cakes and cupcakes for Tita V and Ate Joanne. Ta-da-dan! Ta-da-dan! Ta-da-dan!
Hi mga ka-Joy-Joy! So ngayon, ibibigay na natin sa mga mothers dito sa San Carlos yung dinala nila Ate Olen kahapon na binake nilang cupcakes. Samahan niyo ako! Yung isang cupcakes na ibibigay ulit natin later sa mga mothers. Yay! Ate Joanne! Hi! Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you. Thank you very much. Happy Mother's Day sa ating lahat. Tita Ems, Tita Kaling, Mama Virgie, kay Tita Norma, at saka sa iyo, Tita Bernadette. I love you all.
Tignan naman natin yan. Wow, Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you.
Kita pa open nga. Da-da-dun! Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you.
Da-da-dun! Si mama ko!
Very good.
Here.
Also, I'm gonna give a greetings to all of my viewers that are moms. Hello, Mom Shimalin, and Happy Mother's Day. Bye! Who's